I'm building a fucking chopper. Let's go. Alright. Oh. Let's see. Oh, wow, that needs a little WD-40 or something like that, huh? You see right here? I got this frame from a buddy of mine. He was actually nice enough to drop it off. It's from New Hampshire. I live northern Mass, but whatever, you know. I paid him for the frame and he delivered it free of charge-ish. Well, yeah, because I paid him for the frame. It was funny, actually, kind of a funny story. So I thought he was trying to get rid of the frame for free. So when he came over here, I was like, the least I can do is pay you for the gas. But I ended up actually giving him $300 for the frame, which, as far as I'm concerned, isn't bad at all. A little funny because I am gonna, you know, cut that bitch in half. I just bought the hardtail. Actually, the hardtail shipped. You know what? Let's set this sucker up. There we go. Oh, man. That's better. I think that's better. So, why am I building a chopper? I don't know. Well, if you've seen my motorcycle, just looking at it, 2-inch lift up front, sissy bar, clearly kind of something that I kind of like. Obviously, the sporty I have now isn't really at all a chopper, and having a sissy bar and a 2-inch lift doesn't really make it so. But you know, I'm just saying that it's like clear. You know, like I was always into the slim bike look, right? Like I'm not a bagger guy. I appreciate the versatility and the convenience of them now. But you know, whatever. So I decided I was gonna build a chopper. This kid was getting rid of it, getting rid of that frame. He parted the whole thing out for whatever. He used it. So my buddy had this whole thing, you know, this whole Sportster. He showed me a picture of it. He bought it and basically used it only for parts. And then he was, you know, getting rid of it, and he messaged the group chat and just asked if anybody wanted the frame. And he was offering the motor too, but the motor seized anyways. So I decided I didn't need the motor. I mean, it'll be a fun little project. I'll get back on the tube. So this is what, you know, this is what we're doing now. I got a couple other things we can work on, but that's kind of gonna be like the larger project. And I don't know. Yeah, maybe give this vlogging thing another shot, right? Try it one more time. Right. So, you know, got the tail in way. Obviously, when it gets here, well, what the fuck is that? My shit's dirty. Don't mind it. It's all muggy and dirty outside. I'll clean it when it's nice. But whatever. Chopper time. Chopper spoof. Hardtail spoof coming at ya. Little by little. And, yeah. Make another video when the tail gets here. Actually, I have the motor already lined up. My buddy Stevie has the motor. He's got some mags for me. And I don't know, he said he's got some other stuff. So, got the frame for $300. Stevie's gonna give me the motor and the mags and whatever other goodies he's got for it. The $750. So far, chopper build is at $1,050, which isn't too bad. Actually, that's not true. Plus the frame, around another $450. So we're talking about $1,500 so far to get the frame up. I could probably get a couple tires for it for cheap, say a couple $100. So $1,700, $1,750 for a rolling frame. I got some mini apes I can throw on it in the meantime, but I think I'm gonna do straight 10s, kind of like this one, but they're gonna be one piece, and obviously super clean. No front brake. That's the plan. If I get scared when I'm riding it, maybe I'll put a front brake on it, but I'm gonna shave the lowers and everything, so I'll have to get new lowers if I do that. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't. Follow my Instagram, Spoof, POV. And yeah, go follow North Shore Noise and Sporty Mob. Yep. Go follow them too. And follow the Acting Up guys if you haven't yet. I'll put everything like right here.